morning and welcome to Deconstructing a Prompt 2. Today's Tuesday, January 24th, 2023, and this is your video lesson in Google Form for the 9 and 10 o'clock class. All right, our objectives for today. Students will analyze a writing prompt to determine the purpose, the task, the focus, and the elements to be written about in the prompt through completion of a prompt check and a Google Form quiz that you can take over and over and over again until you get it right. All right, but first let's review. Do you guys remember this? Read the prompt slowly and critically. Any prompt that you get, anytime, anywhere. You want to determine what the purpose for the assignment is. You want to pay close attention to the wording. You want to look for clues that will help you get started. You want to look for verbs that tell you what to do, verbs and action word, key words and phrases from the reading, and ideas to think about and explore further in your writing. All right, we're going to review the prompt from the Understanding the Prompt Check 1. This was the one that we did in the OLS about a month and a half ago. Authors often use characters' thoughts, words, and actions, as well as the plot, to develop a theme. Explain how the author develops the theme. Boasting can get you into trouble over the course of the text. Use examples from the text to support your response. Okay, these should be all things that you're familiar with in this prompt right here. All things we've been learning about. Characterization, using characters' thoughts, words, and actions, as well as the plot. You remember the plot chart. And you remember theme, the lesson, the takeaway, what the author wants you to know. Okay? Now, we kind of have to prove that by writing about it. So what we do is we kind of break down the prompt. We highlight any verbs that tell you what to do. We're going to circle any keywords or phrases, and we're going to underline any keywords or phrases to explore. And you guys can pause this at any time, okay? We're going to review the prompt from Understanding the Prompt Check 1, okay? Highlight any verbs that tell you what to do. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've done this, okay? I've highlighted the verbs up here. Use, develop, explain, develops, use, support, okay? Circle any keywords or phrases. Some of the things that I thought were keywords and phrases were use examples. So I remember I have to actually get some evidence, okay? And the response, that's your writing. You want to underline any keywords or phrases to explore. One of those things is characterization. Characters, thoughts, words, and actions. Okay? Or explain how the author develops the theme. And it gives you one of the themes. Okay? Now, let's go over some of the questions. Question 1, what is the purpose of your writing for this prompt? Is it to offer an opinion? Do you see anything about opinion up here? Nope. To compare and contrast. Do we see compare and contrast up here anywhere? Pause it. Take a look. I don't. To analyze. Do I see analyze up here? Not so much, but it says explain how or why in parentheses here. And I do see explain. So it's going to be this one, explain. Next we have question 2. What is your task? What are you going to do? In other words, what do you need to address or explain in your answer? Is it how the author develops the theme? Can I look for that phrasing? Oh, wow, I see it right there. Okay, I still want to read the rest of the responses because that's what a good, conscientious quiz taker does. How boasting gets people in trouble. It says that, but is that my task? Should I go around boasting and getting people in trouble? No. What the story is mostly about. A lot of people do this, but it doesn't say anything about here about summary at all. So I'm not going to do that. All right, what the character, us thinking and saying in the story. Well, first of all, that's not right. So, but it's not really saying anything about that. It's not asking us what they're saying. So it is indeed going to be how the author develops the theme. Next up, almost done, guys, almost done. All right, to specifically address the task, you should explain how the character's thoughts create the theme in boasting and getting in trouble. Yeah. Let me continue. I don't know. Explain how a character's actions help create the theme. Boasting and getting in trouble. Yeah. Explain how the character's words help create the theme. Boasting can get you into trouble. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's all of them. Oh, wait. This last one. Any of the above or a mix as long as I have 2 examples? Yeah, I think so. Totally that one. That's why you should never just do the first answer. You should read them all. And last but not least, on which 2 elements of this prompt is focusing. Now you might need to really think about English class the past few weeks. Okay, first one says plot and characterization. Okay, no, it says plot here, but is the character's thoughts, actions, and words a characterization? Yeah, but continue on because we have to eliminate all the answers if that's the best one. Structure and theme. Well, it does say theme, but does it say structure? Nah. Tone and structure. It doesn't say tone or structure, so, no. Characterization and theme. Okay, well, yeah, kind of talks about those 2 too. But what is this prompt focusing on? Okay. Is it focusing on the theme? Or is it focusing on characterization and plot? Well, geez, I don't know. You're going to have to kind of decide. Is it plot and characterization or characterization and theme? I'm going to guess that it's going to be plot and characterization because, guys, it's what's in the first line of the prompt. We do talk about the theme, but the 2 elements in which it's focusing on are listed up here in the first part. So it's going to be plot and characterization. All right, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you the link in class, or this will be on the class announcements or the plan, or I'm going to email it to you guys too. But you're going to get in and you're going to kind of do the same thing with a new prompt. All right. Purpose, task, focus, and elements to be written about. If you don't get 100, just redo it over and over. I don't care how many times you take it. Make sure you're noticing what the correct answer is. It gives it to you. Okay. Did you know that when you make a mistake, your brain still grows? I think learning from your mistakes is the best. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video.